What it do, YouTube? It's your boy, Connor, back with Muscle Addiction, man. If you're new to the channel, you don't know how to survive, make sure you stop this video right now. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. Say, we sitting in the daily right now, man. As y'all see in the thumbnail, get straight to the video. That's gonna be a quick installation video of the new, I can't say new, but the Eonon, or however you pronounce it. It's like the thin updated series deck, real thin. But get straight to it, man. What y'all gonna need, get this done, is a trim panel removal tool of some sort. You can get them at the, I got these out Wish, but you can get them at the store or whatever. But basically what you do, first and foremost, make sure you disconnect the battery. I've already done this before. This is my second time getting one because the first one I got, something happened. I don't know what it was. I think it was something with the weather, and I don't know, but it's gonna be my second one. So I already got some things routed, like wire-wise, which this dash cam right here, and it comes with it. Well, that came with it. I got that, and backup camera already installed, but I routed it through here, up through the top, all the way. I pulled this back right here. You go in here, you take this off right here, you know, comes up just like that, and basically take out that little screw in there. I think it's regular old Phillips. Yeah, Phillips. That came out. But take that off. You can pull it back, and you can put your wire through here. Like I said, I ran it all the way down through the thing right there. Like I said, I hit it pretty good. And I put it all the way up through there. With my backup camera, I think I just routed it down the side here, or I think it may have been on the side all the way through to the back. But what you're gonna do is take this trim pedal tool, you go all the way around the side of it, just like that, and it'll come off, and you'll have this wire right here for your airbag. What you're gonna do, you're gonna push this down. If I can get a good angle on it, right here, you're gonna push that down and pull it out. Pretty simple. Little connector right there. Throw it out to the side. You're gonna have 6, I want to say 7mm screws, 7 or 8mm screws, and you're gonna go through and take those out. I'm gonna do that right now because I didn't take them out. So I'm finna have them out like now. Here we go. So got this all out. Now what you gotta do is pull these out right here. It's climate control, and you're gonna have to pull this out right here. These both of these right here, you got to pull both of these out. So I'm finna go and do this. Let's see if I can get through there. Actually, probably be a little bit easier to one. I see I'm pushing down on this, pulling out. So after you get that out, you throw it to the side. Make sure you keep these separated, and I'm gonna tell y'all why here in just a second. Make sure y'all just put these off to the side. We all know what's what. But as y'all see, I got some stuff already down here. Hence why I said I already had one of these in here, and I have all these already wired in and stuff. So after you get that out, that's gonna give you access to pull your deck out. And prior to taking this out, if you have any CDs in here, make sure you eject those. You know, connect the battery and reconnect your battery, and then take out your CD, because I forgot to do that, and then I just said forget it. But after you do that, disconnect the battery again, and then I said take this out. It's kind of heavy, but and take that out. Get this out of my lap. These are a mess of wires that it's gonna come with right here. Yeah, it probably look, which it does look kind of, it's crazy. It's a lot of stuff, but it's pretty simple. Everything's already there for you. So that's what y'all gonna have to do here. Take out this here. Take out this here. Pull both of those out. Make sure you take this out. These are always fun. But you just pull straight out on that and it comes out. And then through with that, throw that out to the side. Now you got all your real estate and you about ready to go. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all here in a second. But I gotta go through these wires and compare everything up. This is everything right here. This is all your wires. I'm not sure. I already still got this old speaker in there. We're gonna see, y'all. You finna see. So I'm finna go in and try to reconnect everything that I can in here, and I'm gonna tap back in and show y'all what I had to use and what I didn't have to use. So let me tap back in with y'all. All right, YouTube, tapping back in, man. Just getting a little bit more of this stuff plumbed up. Like I said, I still got these separated. This is to my backup camera, if I'm not mistaken. This is an adapter right here that goes, oh goodness gracious. The adapter right here that goes to your antenna for your radio, stuff like that. Cause the one that comes from the factory on the Impala is this big old thing right here. So it's a little adapter, just slides right into there or whatever. So I went ahead and started plugging everything in. Pretty much on this, everything's gonna go on in one specific spot. It's not gonna plug into any other one but the one that's supposed to. So it's pretty idiot proof. But I just went ahead and plugged all those in just to get just a little bit of the mess out the way. Did a little bit of plumbing. I'm gonna end up using, if I can find it, this GPS sensor, the new one that came with, just because it may be updated or something, maybe better, get better signal or something like that. Feels like it's a little bit heavier than the old one, like it's more quality. So yeah, I said, so this, like I said, for my backup camera, I already have it plumbed up, and I can't remember if it's gonna go to this one, which is, all of these are labeled. That's good. So the cam man, I don't know if it's that one or the video input. So really all I got left to do is, let me see where it's at. Hook up the power cable right here. Hook up the power cable here. It comes with an extra fuse too. So these are the only two you're gonna need because they are the only two that went to the radio. My crazy self went and on the last radio, this one right here, which why I think it maybe contributed to why it messed up on me so early. I didn't even get a month playtime on it, but pretty much I ended up plugging the climate control plugs into one of these because somehow they end up going in there, like they, you know, they're able to fit in there. So that's why I say keep those separated so you don't do that. These are the only two that you're gonna need. So whatever plugs fit these two are the ones you're gonna use. So those gonna go back into the climate control thing right here, which are color coded. I mean, like color labeled, so you can't mess that up neither. So yeah, man, I'm I'm about to go ahead, plug this up. Get that in there. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and plumb this. Well, I think I'm gonna probably put it. I got my speaker on the back side of this right here. The little chime speaker, I got it on the back of there. So, I guess I could put it beside it. Probably what I'm gonna do. Probably just wipe it off, make sure it's clean, so it'll have a good surface to stick to, and stick it on there. And put it right there in the GPS. See? GPS. You can't mess it up, y'all. You cannot mess this up. But I managed to last time, so yeah, I'm gonna tap in with y'all after I get that just placed in there and stuff. Alright, YouTube, I'm back. What I do to get this footage. This ain't water. YouTube. This ain't water, man. This is not water.
Water, yeah, water, goddamn, water, water, okay, water, what, water, drip, water, splash, water.
This is not, look, y'all, I think it's a game. This ain't water. It look like I came straight off a Gatorade commercial. This is sweat, y'all. I just put all this in there, stuff. I got all the wires hooked up, that plugged in. Cause I can't do this. I had to just jank this up, cause I'm finna start this thing up, y'all. It's a good sign. Uh-oh. We up. We booted. We started right up. It's usually supposed to have like a little startup, whatever. Like, you know, they didn't do that on this one for some reason. I don't know what's going on with that. First and foremost, let me see if this backup camera works. I put it in the right spot. And I did. Oh snap. Let's see if it turned with the, no, it don't turn with the steering wheel, but I got that right. That's nice. Let's see. Wi-Fi. Alright, YouTube, I got everything all connected and stuff. What's crazy is it's really like next week after I shot this video, but I took everything apart for y'all and stuff. So I'm back where I left it on the video, but connected to the internet and everything. I had an issue, not an issue, yeah, I guess an issue, but I had like a little buzzing noise because I got subs in the back, and I don't have them hooked to the auxiliary jacks here to the deck. I got a line output converter in the back, so I was wondering if that was the reason or whatever. But they got two different plugs, I guess. One for if you have Bose, and another one without. And I guess I had the one plug because I don't have Bose, so I guess I had the one for the Bose plugged in, and it's probably because it'll power on and everything. It'll still have functionality and everything, but you'll get a buzzing noise out of it. And like I said, my subs wasn't working. But anyway, I got all that in there, connected to the internet and stuff. Show y'all, pretty responsive and everything, bro. Well, as y'all can see, it's pretty loud. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for that. But what I was trying to show y'all was YouTube. It works pretty fast. Everything worked pretty good. Depends on your speed of everything, but it works pretty quick. Loads up pretty quick. Try to look up a video. See how fast it pull up. It pulls up just like a tablet, man. It worked good. Come straight up, pull up the video. So I got it turned down. Slide it up.
Challenge. Don't know it's about.
I work with the steering wheel controls too. So pause it. So yeah, man. And you can reprogram these too to do whatever you want. But yeah, just showing y'all that. Couple things on it. What else? This dash cam. For that, you gotta go in here to the file manager, because whenever you go plugging everything up, you're gonna think that everything's ready to go with that, but you actually got it. It's not pre-installed on here, so you gotta go to the file manager and go to USB disk 1. That's what it says on mine. Then once you go here, it's going to ask you, do you want to install? Once you install that, then it's going to give you access to be able to go in here and give you this right here. Once you click that, you activate that, and it'll come up. So I got a dash cam on there. I don't think it's my first vehicle having a dash cam on it. And for the reverse input, it's gonna be the cam in for the reverse. That's the cam in one right there. I don't know, but it says cam in, but that's what the reverse goes to. And like I said, I showed you how it works. Oh, I think the car gotta be on. I'm sorry. No, the car gotta be on. But show y'all it does work. I'm not finna bullcorn y'all around, you know what I'm saying? Come right up. So yeah, but I'm gonna get all this put back in real fast. So all you do is just snap this back on here, line it up, put your screws in there. You don't have to just tighten these down all the way. They just be finger tight. And don't forget to plug this back in. Because I do it every time I put one of these in. I forget this is back there, and I gotta take everything back out. But should be able to do this with one hand many times I'll do this. Alright, just snap back in. Put this back on. So you line everything up. Go around the whole thing. Push it in. And that's it. All done. Like I say, that's the end with this video. Like I said, it's to show y'all it's a whole nother day. I got a whole nother shirt on, but I'm finna shoot another video after this with this car. So y'all stay tuned for the next one, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. I can't talk because I'm chewing this gum, but y'all browse the channel. And yeah, man, just stay tuned for the next one. Most Addiction signing out. We out.